One of the fastest growing educational platform for bank, SSC and other competitive exams, Guidely brings to you Guidely Express video course for banking prelims and mains with a lifetime validity. The course content will be provided in both Hindi and English languages. This express course comprises with 600 plus hours of video classes, 1200 plus mock test series, 400 plus PDFs, previous year's pre plus mains question papers for all upcoming banking exams. This video course is created by expert faculties in India who have years of experience and guided thousands of students so far. We will also provide personal guidance in secret Telegram group. You can attend the sessions in both platforms, mobile app and on laptop. And that's not all. If you are selected in the exam, you can get 100% cashback from our end. So what are you waiting for? To enroll in our Express video course, go to this link today.
Hello friends, good morning. क्या आवाज आ रही है? Am I live guys? Can you listen me? Is audio and video clear? You can't see my face because camera was not getting started. It will take like around 2 to 3 more minutes, so I decided not to use that. All good here? Okay, so give me just a thumbs up if you think that everything is fine. So let's start the session. What we are going to do here today, we will do arithmetic. Mixed arithmetic will be discussed today. Let's see which type of questions we are having here, and we'll discuss those. Okay, then before that, this is our video course, and you can like if you think to buy something, then this is the best thing to spend some money, right? And only some money. Everything you'll get here. You can check it on the IBPS guide website. Now this is the question, guys. I think read it. This is the first question. Try to solve it. Okay, try to solve it. And this is one of the easiest question also. Okay, they are saying the total salary of Kiran and Vernon in the organization is 28,000. That's good. Kiran's and Vernon's salaries increased by 6% and 8% respectively. Then their salary will be this. Find the salary of Kiran. Okay, the first thing, if you want to discuss it, if you're going to discuss this, so what will you use? You understand? Like in books you have seen like this, 28,000, then 6% of x plus 8% of y is equal to 29,940 to 1940. You understand that? You solve these, you'll get the answer. But in some books they have also written like this: x plus y is 28,000, 106% of x plus 108% of y, that is 29,940. This is like limit of making it complicated. So some people do like this also. This is also correct. Okay, that's not a big deal. Okay, but what we are going to do here, we are going to do here like 6%, 8%. We are saying that this is the complete salary, right? Okay, this is the 6% increment in Kiran's salary. In Vernon's salary there is 8% increment. What I'm going to do here, I'm just going to write here 6%, and this is 6% plus 2%. It means 6% increment in everyone's salary, whether you are Kiran or Vernon. You are getting 6% increment. So 6% of 28,000 will be what? 6 8 is 48, 6 2 is 12, 16, 1680. But total increment is what? Total increment is what? This was 28,000. This was 29,940. It means 1940. So remaining increment 1680, this is 0, this is 6, 260, okay, and this is equal to how much percent? 2%. So 2% means 260. You understand that? So 100% means what? 13,000. You understand that? 100% means what? 13,000. So it means Varnan's salary is 13,000. So what will the salary of Kiran? That will be 15,000. Answer will be 15,000. You need to solve like this. You need to think like this. Then you'll get easier methods. I have explained you 3 things today itself. Like first, second, you need to do this by this. Okay, there is one thing also, guys. Students from all over the India, they know one word, that is allegation. That is allegation. And how do they use that? From all over the India, people use that like this. Like they said that, sir, this is 6%, this is 8%. Now increased by 1940 upon 28,000 into 100. So people who used to do it by this, you feel pain, and pain is, pain is what? Pain is something which you cannot solve in time. You get irritated because it is not divisible by 7. You feel teasy, you feel not good. What the hell you say in the last, because this is so much complicated. But if you want to, if you want to solve it like this, you can solve it. It's not impossible. You can solve it. I'm telling you, because every method is good. Nothing is bad in this world. You need to be just comfortable enough to just apply that. Now I'll tell you, don't worry. Divide this and divide this. What you got? 194 divided by 28. That's not a problem. You can solve it, and I'll explain right here itself only. Now do what? You just multiply 28 into 6. You'll get what? 120, 48, 168, I think so. Like 28 into 6. 120, 168. 194 minus 168. Otherwise you can divide like by 14. And this becomes what? Divide by 4. No, 14 and 192. 4 का half कितना होता है? 97. So you can do like this also. 14 6 is 84. 13 by 14. 14 8 is 112. 112. 15 by 14. Now you got the ratio 15 by 14. So you got the ratio 15 is to 13. What will you say? 28 means 28. Understand? So 1 means 1, 15 means 15,000, 13 means 13,000. You can also use that. I'm just telling you, you need to be smart enough. Don't divide it. Like if you're thinking that this is coming in the point, don't divide it. Don't make it in the point, make it in the fraction. Now you got 4 methods to solve this question. Are you happy, guys? Now are you happy? 6%. तो हम उल्टा कर लेते ना विनीत, हम उल्टा कर लेते बेटा, जो कम था हम उसको पहले ले लेते. Now you guys are happy with this method. So you guys got 4 things to solve it. It means it is your baby. Now use it as you want it. Okay, let's do the next one. Try to solve it, guys. Come on, fast. Okay, Moni scored 83 marks in mathematics. He scored 66%. Moni can be he. I don't understand sometimes. I don't understand sometimes why they like use a word of a girl, name of girl, and then say he. I don't get this. Moni scored 83 marks in mathematics. That's very good. He scored 66% marks in science and X marks in English. That's very good. Also very good. Right? The maximum marks for each subject is 250. The overall percentage of the marks obtained by Moni in all three subjects together is 64%. So, how much marks did Moni score in English? That's it. It means if 64% of 250, you can just directly do it. 64% of 250, simple method. So 25% of 640. It means 320 half 160. The maximum marks for each subject. I think options are wrong or what? Okay. How much marks did Moni score in English? 83 marks in mathematics, 66% marks in science, and X marks in English. The maximum marks for each subject is 250. The overall percentage of marks obtained by Moni in all the three subjects together is 64%. Acha, your friend's name is Moni and he's a male, then it's okay guys, then I can take this. Not a problem. Okay. I'm not getting one thing, like he got X marks in English. Okay, let's see, maybe that's very good marks actually. The maximum marks for each subject is 250. Moni in all the three subjects together. Okay, why I'm writing here 250? I need to write here 750. Yes. Otherwise, what I was doing that good. 25% of what did I wrote here? 25% of 640 into 3, because there are three subjects, so I got 160 into 3, that is 480, right? Like 640 का half कितना हुआ? 320 का half 160 into 3 480, that is the maximum mark. Now Moni scored 83 and 66%, like 66%, 25% of 66, it means you can say that 66 का half 33 or 33 का half 155. No, 165. So that's 165. Now in the last, that is total 480 minus 248. It need to just subtract it. 10 में से हट गया 2, 47 से 24 गया 23, 23, 232 is the answer. 232, option C. You know. Now understand this, the maximum marks for each subject. Now I'm telling you what I was thinking when I was solving this. I read this complete line, but I didn't like force on this. That's why I was writing only 250, but that is 250 into 3. But when I realized, I just multiplied and got the answer. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, let's do this. These are good questions guys, you need to just read it, just focus, then try to solve it ASAP. Okay. About 2 liters are drawn from a cask full of wine and it is then filled with water. Okay, that's good. 2 liters of mixture are drawn and cask is again filled with water. It means they did it 2 times. Okay. Now I'll explain this question completely to you. I think in your books you have written, you have learned, or you have see a formula that remaining milk is equal to initial 1 minus taken out upon total and power n. I think you have read that. Okay. Now they are saying the ratio of the quantity of wine now left in the cask to the river water in the cask. In it is. It means left means remaining, and water is this, so total will be, I'm just taking there here, so that is 100. So 1 minus taken out, and taken out is what, 12, and upon total we don't know, let's take that is x, and that's the square. So 1 minus 12 by x is equal to this is a square, I'll take under root, that is 9 by 10. Understand that? Okay. So 12 by x is equal to 1 minus 9 by 10, 1 by 10. So x will be 120 liter. Option C will be the answer. But that is something you have done with the formula, and this is your formula. You did it with the formula. But do we need this? Do we always need this? No, we don't need this. Listen. These type of questions are kind of example of successive percentage. And if you remember that the ratio is remaining, it's like compound interest upon total, and I'm saying that this is 81 upon 100, but the 2 times they take 2 times, it means what? 2 times means, okay, I need to just multiply by 9 by 10, 9 by 10, because 2 times, so successive rate is this. 9 by 10 means it has been what? Remaining from the first thing. 9 by 10 part is remaining. So 1 by 10 part taken out. And according to the question, 1 by 10 part means what? 12. 1 by 10 part means 12. Part means 12. So 1 means 120, and that is your answer. 1 by 10 part, right? 1 means 12, so 10 means 120. Did you get that? अरे समझ में आया क्या? Okay, let's do the next one. Read it, guys. Come on. Okay. Read the question. 2 metals are to be used for making 2 different alloys. Okay, we agree with that. If the ratio by weight of A and B in the first alloy and that in the second alloy, how many kilometers must be along with 15 kg first alloy and 24 kg of the second? So, how many kilogram of A metal must be melted along with 15 kg of the first alloy and 24 kg of the second? How many kilograms of A metal must be melted along with 15 kg of the first alloy and 24 kg of the second alloy to produce a new alloy containing 50% of metal B? Okay, not a problem. Now understand, this is 15, just do it by this only. 15 kilogram, 15 means 15, right? And you got A and B, right? 15 means 15. So if the ratio of weight of A and B in the first alloy, 8 is 17, 15, right? 50, no. 8, 7, 15 means 15, 1 means 1, 8 means 8. So A in the first alloy, I'm talking about first alloy, A will be 8 kg, B will be 7 kg. Okay, I'll taking the second alloy, and what is the ratio? 9 is to 15 here, 24, and there is 24 also. It means 24 means 24, 1 means 1. So I will write that A is equal to 9, B is equal to 15. It's a very simple and very good question. Now what exactly they want to show or say? They want to say that how many kilograms, where is the word, how many kilogram of A metal, which means this, must be melted along with 15 kilogram, okay, and so as to produce a new alloy containing 50% of metal B. It means, remember guys, A will be what? 8, 9, 17. So you need A some more 17 plus X upon B will be what? 7 plus 15 is 22, and that will be 50%. It means these should be equal now. So that should be equal 1 by 1. So just transfer that. 17 plus X is equal to 22. So X is equal to 5. Your answer will be 5 kilogram. Just the language is the main concern over this question. Otherwise this was damn easy. It's damn easy. You understand that? Otherwise you can also do that. You don't want to do this, don't do this. It doesn't matter, guys. If you know the concept, you don't know this. Now initially you did like this, but now you are doing it orally. How you can do this orally? Listen to me properly. That the ratio of A is to B should be 1:1. Where? A new alloy. A is to B 1:1. Okay, but we need to add A. But B is what? 22. 1 means 22. So 1 means 22. It means if B is 22, but A is what? Only 17. A is what? 17. So what? How many A you need? 5. 5 kilogram. That's your answer. Next question, guys. Do it. Yes, Pony. You can use that. Yes, definitely. You can understand that. 3 times, 4 times. How many times? But instead of taking under root, you need to take the cube root then. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड से अब यार तुम एक सेकंड लेट मी सी नहीं जैसे बताया वैसे करो ना बहुत आसान है बोला अमित ने कार रोहित को बेच दी 30% प्रॉफिट पे रोहित ने विवेक को बेच दी 20% प्रॉफिट हाउ मच प्रॉफिट अमित वुड हैव गॉट इफ ही हैड सोल्ड द कार डायरेक्टली टू विवेक एट द प्राइस विवेक बॉट तो कितना प्रॉफिट होता है मतलब ये सिंपल सी बात है यार 100 था यहाँ 130 हुआ ये 156 हुआ बोलते हैं अगर ये इसी में बेच देता तो 56% का हो जाता ना ये नकली था इसको प्यार से बोलते हैं डुप्लीकेट इजी टुच्चा यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट ओके it's a 2 second question guys only 2 seconds why are you not able to solve are you guys sleeping okay now a shopkeeper sells a transistor 15% of the cost price okay if he had 5% more what if it were okay that's very easy I'll just going to tell you the conditions like first let's say CP is 100 so SP will be what 115 or you can say that profit is 15 okay now they are saying if he had but 5% more than what he paid for it it means new CP will be 105 and rupees 6 more you can't relate this because this is the absolute value but you can use this so profit 10% so SP will be what 10.5 okay 115.5 am I right yes so he said he sold it for rupees 6 more but here how much more 0.5 more here 0.5 more and 0.5 means 6 so 100 means 20 I mean 200 1200 so that is the CP the cost price of the transistor 100 it means 1200 that is your answer clear $1200 that is your answer okay guys I'll give you 2 3 4 questions homework you solve it and then we'll discuss those that's it for the today's class this is homework this is homework this is your homework 3 4 and 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 159 160 161 162 1 Yes, this is also the important information. You understand? Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Okay, and tell your friends to subscribe also. Okay, so thanks for being here, guys. Do these homeworks and try to be, don't go in the simpler path. If you're going like this and you think that all the people are going like this, so there is a fight, and this is kind of war of job. So people are really working hard, and somehow, if some by some luck, if you get to clear pre, you are not able to clear mains. So plan yourself. You need to have the speed and accuracy. You need to be perfect, and that's it I want to say. So thanks for being here, thanks for watching. Take care everyone. Practice hard, do the things done, and don't sleep today. Like, take a rest of 1 hour, 1.5 hour, but practice hard, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Hmm. Guys, I think I'm not able to end the stream. I think live will go on. विनीत, मैंने आपकी पेड क्लास की 100. ओके विनीत, कैरी ऑन विद दैट. ओके ओके.